Ever wonder why your room gets dusty right after cleaning? Your ceiling fans might be the culprit. Your fan could be tossing dust and allergens all around your room every time you flip the switch. These peel and stick ceiling fan air filters are super simple fix. This doesn't require any tools to use, just something to clean it with. Before you stick them on, make sure to clean the blades so that they'll adhere properly. If you have a 5-blade fan like I do, the 4-pack will work perfectly since you don't have to have one on every single blade. Now my fan helps clean the air while it cools the room. If you've got allergies, pets, or just hate dusting, these are a must. I really like that they're made in the USA, fit any fan, and take less than 5 minutes to install. These are a total win for your household.